I was looking for a set that would include everything I needed for an at-home mani-pedi, and SUNUV was so kind to send me this one to try. You get an actually really nice UV lamp, a set of 16 gel colors, plus the top and base coat. I'll show you those in a minute, plus all the tools you need for a mani or pedi. It's got the toe separators, a buffing file and a normal nail file, plus a duster to remove any of the nail dust after you file. It's also got a really nice cuticle cutter, and I think this is for getting hangnails off, plus a good metal cuticle pusher. The lamp turns on automatically when you put your hand in it, but it also has multiple timer options. The buttons even light up for whichever setting you choose. The 90-second option is a low heat mode, so this one is going to be a little bit less intense than these other options. If you look in the mirror, you can see when I click 60 seconds, the light brightens up. It also has this removable reflective bottom. It's magnetic, so it's easy to pop right on and off. This is really nice because it reflects all that light everywhere you need it. I also love that the cord is plenty long, so it's easy to set up and get comfortable in any space. I love that I can store this all in its box and not have to worry about buying or grabbing extra stuff. The colors this comes with are really pretty too. They're shades that not only do I love, but my teen and preteen daughters love as well. They're really nice wearable colors, and these glitter shades are super pretty, and they're actually very glittery. This is honestly a really easy kit if you want to do gel nails because it has everything you need. The only extra thing I might use is an alcohol wipe to prep the nails. Save time and money by skipping the nail salon and grab this for yourself or as the perfect gift for anyone who likes pretty nails, because this kit is the perfect all-in-one set.